1713 Pink Cliff. We're on a cul-de-sac. As you can see, desert landscaping. Liftmaster. The homeowner is right out front, so I'll keep that in mind when making my comments. No third car garage opener. So we have 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. It's about $50 for a paper arched fan if it was felt like it was necessary. Fairly private backyard. This neighbor can see in, but they're not hovering over. Little tree blocking that window a bit. I mean, you can still see the window a bit. We have a 1-story here and a 1-story on this side, so it's not often you get yards this private in Vegas. Some pavers were added on to the bit of concrete. High ceilings. These walls are peach. Vinyl in the laundry room. It's generally considered nice to have a laundry room that is a separate room by itself. It's not a room that you walk through. Also, it's close to this bedroom here. And it is considered a plus to have a sink in the laundry. These blinds would be replaced. Probably that light fixture as well. We've already seen the garage, actually. Step up to the closet and bathroom. Interesting. Step down. Well then, definitely would want that wiring checked out. Well, this is a large room. Okay. So it is tile.